it's about 5:08 in the morning, about 5 minutes. Gotta put these oats away. We're gonna head out to Iki Island. And yeah, it's gonna be a great trip. So I did a bike check yesterday. I'm about to go to Iki Island. It's about, I'm guessing we'll probably clock about 300 kilometers? I don't know. But anyways, this is my bike setup. Got a top tube bag, frame bag, saddle bag. Doing some weird stuff there, but seems to be solid. 2 water bottles. And check my tires. Make sure you always have a spare, and keep all my spare stuff kind of all around here. And 1 backpack, and that's got quite a bit of stuff I'm gonna use for camping tonight. It's pretty small. It works. We used to use a front bag here, but actually it was just like here, it was too much. We don't really need it. So what we did was we took our tent poles and put them in our backpack and put the tent here or here. So yeah, ready to go. It's about, I don't know, am I gonna be late? Probably. This path for quite a while. Gonna go through that mountain range there. Saga and Karatsu. Oh shit, that's cheaper than I thought it was. Hey. Oh shit, dude! Go.
Karatsu or Karatsu pine forest. It's crazy, right? Like, doesn't look like Japan. You can smell the pine. Because these are not native. Yeah. It was a gift from someone. I can't remember what. Next one.
I got fucking hammered, dude, on the way to Korea.
Yeah, you told me. You do well to get that battered in 2 hours.
Yeah. I mean...
Hold on, the Korea one is only like 3. So you got that fucked up in 3 hours.
I was like...
Yeah.